Your Lordship, I am appearing for the appellant.
Who is appearing in LPA 1414?
I am appearing, Your Lordship.
What is this?
Both LPA, Your Lordship, I am appearing, Your Lordship. In 1414, Your Lordship, please to direct to file an amended LPA, bringing on record the prayer with regard to the civil review also, Your Lordship. That was filed after the read, Your Lordship.
Civil review in where?
Yes,
In writ petition.
read petition, Your Lordship.
So you don't want to press this LPA?
No, now I have filed an amended LPA, Your Lordship, and as per Your Lordship order.
You can't have one in civil review and another in LPA. If civil review is already filed and it is pending.
No, that was disposed of, Your Lordship, affirming the order of the read, Your Lordship.
Have you challenged both order?
Earlier, this was challenged, Your Lordship, but as per the staff reports, our custom, Your Lordship, that was deleted the civil review order, Your Lordship. Thereafter, after Your Lordship's order dated 12/12/2020, Your Lordship, I have filed an NPA, IA, Your Lordship, for bringing on record, Your Lordship, then amendment of prayer, Your Lordship.
Amended LPA is filed?
Your Lordship, amended LPA also filed 332 of 2023, Your Lordship.
File amended.
You wrongly filed a new LPA. What you should have done, you should have filed an amended petition, filing counter, AO filing counter.
I have filed an amended LPA, Your Lordship.
First copy of the amended.
Your Lordship.
Show it to him. Where have you indicated in the first page that it is an amended LPA?
Your Lordship, this was not mentioned in the first page. This was
Why?
mentioned in last page, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Last page, Your page 7, Your
No,
Lordship.
on the first page you have to mention, no? How do you expect on the registry to know that you have mentioned in last page? On the first page, top of the High Court of Judication at Patna, above that you should have mentioned it is amended LPA.
Because as per the procedure, Your Lordship, we have to mention
Show us the procedure.
that no LPA had been filed earlier.
Show us the procedure.
I have filed that the appellant earlier filed LPA number 1414, Your Lordship.
Sir, better you withdraw this and file an amended LPA. We have already given instruction to the registry how amended LPA should be mentioned and other things.
Your Lordship, permit just to incorporate one word, Your Lordship, amended.
But number has been given, no? That is the reason you should have done it. Who has prevented you?
No, Your Lordship.
Not mentioning amended LPA?
That was mentioned in my paragraphs, Your Lordship.
That is not the correct. And one more thing, which part of the LPA is amended? How we will come to know?
Your Lordship.
Which part of the LPA is amended?
And you see the page 3, Your Lordship, being agreed and dissatisfied with the order and judgment dated 2/3 and the civil review number 123. Two order has been challenged, Your Lordship.
Page number?
Page number 3, Your Lordship.
Where have we mentioned? Which portion of the earlier LPA pleadings have been amended?
Your Lordship, there is in LPA, Your Lordship, we have not pleading, Your Lordship, only question of law, Your Lordship. That was there, Your Lordship.
Sir, what is the amendment in LPA?
And the amendment, Your Lordship, kindly see the page 7, Your Lordship. Page 7. That the appellant petitioner has filed earlier LPA number 1414, Your Lordship, against the order and judgment dated 2/4/2018, Your Lordship, in CWJC number and filed a review of which was dismissed by so and so, culminating into the order dated impugn order 2/4/18, Your Lordship. And in view of the order dated 16/1/2023, Your Lordship, passed by Honorable Mr. So-and-so, to set aside the order and judgment.
Sir, IA for amendment.
Your Lordship, IA was allowed, Your Lordship, by order dated.
Which here in this as he indicated, this is required to be added. How to identify from your LPA, amended LPA, which portion of the earlier original LPA has been amended? How to identify from this?
Only because we have started from the being aggrieved, your lordship, there is added, the order dated,
Sir, we are not able to understand your this thing. Have you understood what is the requirement of the court? So assuming that we are giving you example. In original LPA, you have prayed for 3 relief, A, B, C. You wanted to incorporate one more, assuming that D prayer. Okay, D prayer is IA is allowed. Thereafter, in the amended LPA, is it not necessary to point out D has been added by the amended order? Where is that?
your lordship. Kindly see, your lordship.
This procedure is available in CPC or not?
Your lordship.
Then?
We have followed the deed petition because your lordship, there is no other assessments, your lordships, and no paragraphs, your lordships. Therefore, we have started from being aggrieved from the order dated so.
Sir, how court will come to know which portion of the amended prayer you are sought?
If your lordship permit me, day after tomorrow, I will file a phrase, your lordships. Only this paragraph I have to amend a judgment on Monday.
Where is it? 51? There are certain defects in LPA 332 of 2023. Accordingly, appellant is hereby directed to. Sorry, appellant is permitted to withdraw this LPA 332 of 2023. Accordingly dismissed as withdrawn. LPA is dismissed as withdrawn. The appellant is hereby directed to file amended LPA in 1414 of 2018 while highlighting on the top of the LPA that it is a amended LPA, and further whatever IA for amendment of LPA was allowed. In that regard, the amended LPA in the form of subpara, and it should be indicated that such newly incorporated material information or pleadings in the LPA is with reference to allowing the IA for amendment and its date and date of the allowing the IA for amendment, comma, in such circumstances only one can understand what is the amended LPA. Otherwise, it is impossible to understand what is the amendment which has been carried out by the appellant.
In this case also, there is
Matter after 2 weeks.
of limitation may be done.
Huh?
Issue of limitation may arise, your lordships.
What limitation?
They have pointed out
1414.
in 332, your lordship.
332, we have dismissed. Where is the question of delay? Pending IS, if any, in 332 stands dismissed, has withdrawn.
3 weeks time.
Huh?
3 weeks time, your lordship.
You want 4 weeks?
No, 3 weeks.
3 weeks.